Hey, yeah, I'm on my way. Okay, I'll see you there. It's so beautiful, huh? Yet we're the only ones here. On my way over here, I found $1. You know the similarities between $1 and a screwdriver? There's a fine line, and if you miss, you could potentially lose yourself. There's a verse that says, "For the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. By craving it, some have wandered away from the faith and pierced themselves with many sorrows." 1 Timothy 6:10. Why do we do what we do? Do I need this screwdriver? Or does this screwdriver need me? Do I need money? Or does money need me? And I know we can easily say that I need money, but really open your eyes so you can see. This tool, without me, has no purpose. I'm the one that determines what holds value and what does not. Whatever you want to pursue, let money not be your driving force. Understand that money is supposed to help facilitate your journey, and it's not the destination. Money is this piece of paper that was made out of trees, a resource that was given to us from this earth for free. We are the ones that determine its value. And once you understand this, even if you have nothing of it, then you'll be free. Overcome the love of money, and then you're gonna discover your true worth. The brush, the car, the shoes, the clothes, they need you more than you need it. Without you, the screwdriver has no worth. You use the screwdriver. Don't let the screwdriver use you. Once you understand this, that this is just a tool, your life will change. Because you will live your life different.